Write app reviews. Make money from home by writing app reviews. Are you interested in earning extra income while working from the comfort of your home? If you have a tablet or smartphone and a stable internet connection, you're in luck. We're looking for individuals in the United States to become our latest app testers and reviewers. Whether you're a bookworm, a gamer, a music enthusiast, or just looking to make some extra cash, there's an opportunity for you. The exciting world of app testing and review options allows you to earn money while pursuing your passions. Join our team of reviewers. If you love reading books and would be okay with earning money, we have the perfect gig. As a book reviewer, you'll download free ebooks, read them, and then write short summaries detailing what you liked and didn't like about them. You can earn up to $297 per day for your valuable services. If this piques your interest, visit the link to learn more and get started. Review the latest apps from trustworthy startups. Some trustworthy and legitimate software startups have recently launched their latest app releases, and they're seeking honest individuals like you to provide them with reviews. This opportunity is simple. Download and try out these apps, then share your thoughts and opinions, and in exchange, you'll receive an hourly wage of $25 to $35. Your feedback is invaluable, and it's an excellent way to make money from home. Become a paid product tester. If you'd like to get your hands on various products and provide feedback, you can join our platform as a paid product tester. You only need basic computer skills and a smartphone or tablet with a reliable internet connection. You'll receive guidance on creating your reviews, making this an excellent opportunity for beginners. The best part is that you can work remotely and get paid for your efforts. Earn from home. Test an app. Testing apps from the comfort of your home is not only an easy way to make money but also a fantastic opportunity to contribute to the development of innovative technology. You don't need coding skills or advanced degrees. You only need a smartphone or tablet and an internet connection. Spend 5 hours a week to make extra income while helping app developers refine their creations. Get paid to test musical instrument simulators. If you're passionate about playing musical instruments like the piano or guitar, we have the perfect job for you. You can enjoy 3 hours of your day and get paid $810 weekly by helping app developers test their new musical instrument simulators. It's a great way to combine your passion for music with earning money from home. Get paid to test apps, $25 per hour. Mobile apps dominate the market, and new developers often need help to gain traction with their creations. By becoming an app tester and reviewer, you can download, test, and review apps before they hit the market, helping developers improve their games and attract more attention. This opportunity not only allows you to make money but also to be at the forefront of the latest mobile technology. Make up to $150 daily playing games. Do you enjoy playing multiplayer games on your mobile device? Not only is it a great way to spend time with friends, but it can also be a fantastic opportunity to make up to $150 a day. Imagine turning your gaming hobby into a lucrative side gig. Make extra money remotely. To earn money remotely, you can download and try various apps and provide honest reviews of your experiences. You don't need advanced skills. A laptop, tablet, or smartphone with an internet connection is all you require to get started. Get paid to read your favorite books. Are you a passionate reader of beloved books like the Harry Potter series, 50 Shades of Grey, A Prayer for Owen Meany, or Football Outsiders Almanac? If so, we have a unique opportunity for you to earn a substantial daily wage by revisiting your favorite books and exploring new ones. As an app tester and reviewer, you can delve into the world of reading on platforms like Kindle and Wattpad, all while making money. Got a knack for writing and making money? If you have a talent for writing and want to make money in a simple and fun way, you can earn $25 to $35 per review. These opportunities provide an enjoyable and straightforward means to bolster your income while pursuing your passions. There are numerous opportunities for individuals in the United States to make money by testing and reviewing apps, books, games, and products. With just a smartphone or tablet and an internet connection, you can earn extra income while working remotely. Whether you're passionate about reading, gaming, or music, there's a role that suits your interests. So why wait? Explore these opportunities and turn your free time into a lucrative side hustle. Check the description to access Write app reviews from the official website.